Hi, my name is Carl DeCosta. Welcome to another tutorial for the Stay in Touch system. In this tutorial, I will teach you and I will guide you through how to send a campaign to your already mentioned list. Now, if you have gone through the previous tutorials, I would assume that you already have a list set up. That is, in AdView list, you would have a list in which you have email ID set up. So now we would like to send out a campaign to this list. So what do? You go to the menu bar and click on Send. You go to Campaigns and then click on the sub-menu Send. This would populate a new window, or a new page. Send. To start sending your campaign, you'll have to click on Start a new campaign. Now, as you see, a new page pops up and you have the subject line. Out here, we would enter a subject line for your campaign. I say, welcome to the Stay in Touch system. Ideally, I would like to keep the subject line short and not use a lot of spam words so that a campaign that we send out hits the inbox of everyone's email address. Out here we have the from line. In this from line, we can mention from who the campaign is being sent. Generally, if it's your company, we put your company name. If it's a personal, you can put your personal name. And out here we have this option checked of compose message. If you click on send a web page, you'll have to enter the URL of the web page and it will be sent as a campaign. But for now, we will just type compose message. This is the message editor provided with our system, which allows you to edit your campaign and make it look beautiful and catchy. For now, I wouldn't do anything special. I would just go ahead and type hi and write a small message. Welcome to the Stay in Touch system. We are glad to So we can do this out here. Once we are done typing the message or creating it as we want, like you can do various things, like you can select, you can use this message editor, you can make this bold, italic, you can underline it, and there's various other features. You can even change the color of it. There's a lot that we can explore into the system and this editor, but for now this is just the basics that I would like to do, and I would like to go ahead and send a campaign. If you want, we can just, and this is the footer of your campaign. This is the text that will come under your message. Once you complete typing your message, this is the section that will come under the message. So just to send a test campaign, we would check just to see how a campaign looks. We can send a test message. We can do that by entering an email ID out here in this text box, this send text box. Okay. So I would like to go ahead and send a test message on this ID. So I click on send test, and here I would get a message saying send test mail to carl.work.so-and-so email ID is a success. Now there could be possible that you might get another message saying that carl.work, so the email ID that you've provided does not exist in the system. Okay, would you like to add it? And you'll have an add button of the same color, just add button. So you'll have to just click on the add button. Okay, then your email address would be entered into the system, and then you could go ahead and send out a test mail to this. Now to see what the test mail looks like, please log into your account for the email address that you have provided. and here you will be able to see in your inbox that if it's not there in your inbox, you can either search it in the tab, the promotion tabs, or you can go into the spam folder and check what is happening. So here this is the message. Okay, now you can see the from line, and this is the subject line, and this is the message that you composed, and this out here is the footer section. Once this is sent, once you can see that everything is alright and going according to you, and you feel that you need to send out a campaign to a list, you can go back to your system and click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, a new page would pop out. Now out here you could choose whether to send the message as an HTML or text. Generally we would use HTML, and we would like to keep none out here. This is a use of template. A specific template has been used for sending a campaign, like a design template, a specific customized design template. You can use it, else do not use anything else. For now I would not use any template. I would go ahead and send out my message. So then I click on next. Out here you would be allowed to attach any documents or any files that you need to send to users list. Say you need to send a document file or an image file or something like that. So you can just come out here and click on choose file, add it, and then click on save, and just click on next. Out here you could schedule a campaign. Say you want to schedule a campaign for tonight, for midnight tonight. You can go ahead and put the time as 2nd March, and you can put as 000, and your campaign would start from this point on. Now out here we would have to select the list. Now all list selects all the list available to us, but if you want to send out to a specific list, you'll have to browse through the categories and find the list that you want to send it to. For now I would send it to a test list. Okay, say if you want to send it to your list that you've just created, say test list 1, you check this. And also if you want to send it to another list, we can go out here and do this and check a test list. To check all the lists that have been checked to which the campaign has been sent out, we can click on this tab, the @ tab. So you can browse through the categories and just check for it, and you can click on next. Once you click on next, you will come to the last window of this, the last tab of this window, send a campaign. Here we can mention the email address to alert when a campaign starts and when the campaign ends. You can get details regarding when it has started, if the campaign has started, and if the campaign has finished on this email address. Now to send your campaign, finally after everything has been set correctly, you'll have to click on send campaign. Once you click on send campaign, your campaign is put in a queue. Now since we have an automatic processing of the campaigns, it would take time. So now to see the progress of your campaign, I would like you to click on view progress. Now as you can see that we put a 12 o'clock time. We wanted to send it out tonight at 12 o'clock. So it has said submitted, and it's given you the time to which it has to be sent. Now it will be sent 12 o'clock at midnight, and once it hits 12, the campaign will start processing and the campaign will be sent out to all the email IDs on the specified list. So this is all you need to know regarding sending out a campaign. I hope you understand each and everything that I've explained, and if you do not, please get back to us, and hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.